Hello, everyone. Welcome to the Brave Heart Netpreneur Show. And today is our Friday uh, portion of Friday show, which we are on our entrepreneurship topics. All right. So I'm so excited for this second day of our Netpreneur show, Braveheart Netpreneur show, with our entrepreneurship as our topic for today. And this day is very special for me because I am inviting one or two of the most outstanding business partners that I have in two different countries, and that is from Zambia and from Kenya. So, ladies and gentlemen, stay tuned. Uh, keep in tune until the end of the show because I have so many tips to you regarding the entrepreneurship, regarding how we are doing our business, and as we have discussed uh, in the last show that this episode of Friday show will be all about entrepreneurship. And we would like to share to you so many things. We would like to share to you so many tips, experiences, and different things about entrepreneurship where we are involved with. So if you could share to your friends, you could invite your friends, and we will be enjoying together. We will be hanging out together for this show. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm so happy for those who have not known me yet, those who are new in this business. My full name is Nancy De Ocampo from the Philippines, and I am a nursepreneur. So, welcome once again. And no, I could see there are four. All right, so four audience that we're having here. So, today's topic is really very very special topic for me because this is part of my experiences on how I build my business, on how I grew up with the business, and everybody knows that those who have watched my first episode, which was last Friday, I have introduced how I became an nursepreneur, or my journey to this entrepreneurship. Because as a nurse, I didn't know anything except to take care of the patient, and of course to give injection, to give medicines. So, and turn into a nursepreneur or into entrepreneurship. So I will be sharing to you how I grow up, or what are the things that I have done in the previous, how I did my business. And of course, after I'll share to you a bit, it will not be too long. I will be sharing to you some very important topics that I have prepared for you. Then I will be having a chit chat or an interview with my two guests, and I'm just waiting for them to be in. And I believe they are ready. So let me share to you my screen, all right, so that I can give you some points, some important uh, topics that I have prepared for you. All right, so let me just share to you my screen for now. All right, okay, so Okay, and I hope so. I could see there are some who are already watching me right now. So I believe that you can, okay, you can type some comments if you want to, if you have some questions or you have some something that you can suggest or to discuss or anything that you want. I would love to have some comments from you, especially with my audience. So ladies and gentlemen, uh, this is the this is my topic for today, how I did my business as an entrepreneur, right? So I will be sharing to you the way I did my business, all right? And as I have mentioned that I was in Zambia before. The first country that I went was in Zambia. And after retiring my work in Dubai, I went to Zambia. And what I have done in Zambia when I was starting was I had I learned from my mentors. I have learned from Eric Worre, and I have learned from Team Sales. I have learned from so many gurus for this network marketing, because I have prepared myself to become a network marketer. So I have tried to research in order for me to learn on how to implement, and especially with the 90-day game plan. So I want to share to you the formula that I have prepared for me, that it might also help you in building this business. All right. So as I said, our guest will be this Diamond Manager Mary. I will introduce them later to you. After, I'll just have some of my businesses. So this was what I have done during my stay in Zambia. So this is actually the 90-day game plan that I had, and I have changed into 1,000 day game plan now, which is the total formula that I have. So this is now the formula that I am working with. I'm still working on it. The 1,000 day game plan, which is the success formula of building my empire without excuses or no excuses. And that is, like I have told you earlier, that I have launched the Braveheart, Braveheart Eagle MLM in South Africa. It's still the continuation of this institution that I am dreaming of. It's really a big dream that I have, and I'm still going on with this formula. This is my success formula that I want to share to you. You might like it and you can use it. And of course, if you are not happy with it or you don't like it, it's fine. You can share it to some of your friends or your business partner. This is the logo that I have when I had my MLM Academy in South Africa. And as I said, it was already uh, it was changed. The name was changed, and I had again registered in Nigeria. But when we are supposed to start the activities, then the lockdown has came. So this is now my success formula. I called it the success formula, building my empire without excuses. Actually, this is composed of five 90-day game plans. Actually, I have combined from different gurus. So I have learned so much the 90-day game plan from Eric Worre, which I have done it in Zambia. And so now I put a plan. I put a plan that will help me, that will guide me to go through to my success. So this is my plan is having a 5 times of 90-day game plan plus the every 90-day game plan, there should be how I could say the continuation, which is an additional of 3 months for me to follow up, and to grow with the activities that I have done for that 90-day game plan. So 5 times of 90-day game plans, then that is the success. That is my formula. Your level of success is equals to your level of skill multiplied by your level of action. That is my formula. And of course, my Formula One with my 90-day game plan, the aim is to become a mastermind. To become a mastermind, this is the time wherein I have to decide to be in or out, and to find my masterminds as well. It's up to you how many masterminds or how many people that you want to work with during your 90-day game plan. So in Zambia, I would work with at least 3 people that uh, are my masterminds. Then these 3 people will continue during that 90 days to also bring their own mastermind. So this is the decision making, whether you are in or you are out. So we have so much training, we have so much activities, going to the field, and this is an activity that we are developing those people that we brought in. And of course, my Formula 2 is my first step to success. Having those people that I have worked with after 6 months, that we have already gathered people, we have already gathered their people to work with, we continue, and we must have a success on that game number one. We on the game number one, we have to uh, create our goals. We have started our the cafe lovers. We have to figure out how much sales every day. We have set our daily method of operation, and we have a lot of activities, so that at the second 90-day game plan, we have to determine our first step to success, which most of my people, my masterminds who came in, become managers or become higher than managers. So that is the Formula 2. And of course, my Formula 3 is now the uh, my momentum. So when you have already your people that have started growing, okay, so then on my own, they have started their own 90-day game plan. So I have also continued with my 90-day game plan on the third time, which is already on momentum, taking care of them, supervising them while I'm growing my team. So that is already the momentum, my momentum. So training and training and training and implementing what we have done. So every steps, every 90-day game plan, there must be an action that has a result. So of course, I have my results, my masterminds have also their own results. And of course, Formula 4 Formula 4, and that is where I am right now, which some of my people are also having it because they have started, the people, my business partners, my masterminds who were doing it are already building also their empires. And I'm very consistent in monitoring all those business partners that I have identified. So now I am really building my empire and continuously building my empire. So this is now the time for expansion, and don't limit yourself in your place. We have a very big ecosystem. We have the world as our ecosystem. So expand. That is how we build our empire. So like it says here, at first they will ask you, why are you doing it? Why am I doing? Because I focus myself on my business 24/7. I do my business. So people are asking, why are you doing? Why are you so serious? But later, I guarantee you, they will ask you how to do it. Because right now, there are so many people that are asking me how I did it. So I'm on this formula now, formula number 4, which is I am building my empire. Okay, and I am so glad, I am so happy if all my business partner who are listening right now or watching this live show right now, especially in Zambia, especially in Zambia. My leaders in Zambia are the results of my form my 90-day game plan, because from the beginning we've been together and they have started from zero, and now they are already on their climax, growing and growing and growing. So as it says here on my slide, that you don't build business, you build people. That is the reason why it's building my empire, because I want to build people, and the people together we will build a business. All right, so that is now my formula 4. And I am a dreamer, and my dream is to do my Formula 5, which is having the millionaire's leg. Meaning I have a group of people that are already earning or having a total financial freedom. And this is after I build my empire. I know that it is not easy, because I have created so many, I have worked with so many leaders, I have worked with so many people. And you see, this is our business, this is our industry, that we, even if we register so many, if we will not build a stone house on this business, it will be off and on, or it will be like fluctuating. So, and I have experienced so many disappointment, because the world, the universe will test you on this industry. Like right right now, I was preparing to go on live, and suddenly the camera of my phone collapsed. Oh my God! I said, uh, what will I do right now? So thanks God, I have another option. So this is now how I have gone through with this live today. So that this is my big dream, to go on with my Formula 5, which will be uh, uh, um, I could say that I have already developed my empire, having my business partners who are really, who are also with me. We will go together on the top. And right now I'm seeing the achievement of my business partners, especially in Zambia, in Kenya, in Nigeria, and I am not stopping myself in exploring or going somewhere, which is to expand my business. So that is my formula five. That those are the five formulas that I am using. So as it is written that work until your bank account looks like a phone number. How many digits is that? So that is how big is my dream. That is the reason why I am doing my 1000 day game plan without excuses, because I would love to have leaders with me which will be earning, not just having positions, but earning on their business and helping their people to earn doing the business. So work until your bank account looks like a phone number. That is uh, a very good mindset that I have. I have it in my mind. So I'm very particular. Actually, I will be discussing the building blocks of the 8 building blocks that I have learned, that I am also following, and I just want to have a glimpse on the number 8, because I will be discussing this on the next show next Friday. So which is the number 8. The most important is duplication. Duplicate yourself. If you want to be successful in this business, duplicate yourself. But of course, if you are not doing the right thing, then you will be duplicating what you are doing. But if you do the right thing on this business and duplicate it, you will be having a success in this business. If you want to follow my 5 formula to success, then I am so willing to be mentoring you and coaching you. So the key aspect of network marketing is duplication. So we have to identify our core number. So my success is my passion, right? My success is my passion. And the formula that of success that I that that is the secret. Aside from my 90-day game plan formula, I have learned this from my mentors, from all the gurus that I am following. I have learned this formula that is also very realistic, because it will take you 2 years. It will take you 2 years as a baby to start with this business, to learn the business, to learn your products, and to enhance yourself in accepting, in doing your goals and doing your activities, preparing yourself for another 2 years, so that 4 years, then that's the time that you will be within 4 years. If you develop well, that will be the time that you will see that you are really earning something from this industry. But that is not what we want, because you just start having something that is either an extra or just to eat for a day. That is the way how this industry goes. And another 2 years for you to have to find the people that you can duplicate. to find your leaders. It will take you another 2 years, meaning that 6 years of working consistently, because I have duplicated myself after after 5 to 6 years of doing it consistently, and that is the leaders that I'm having right now in Zambia, in Kenya, and in Nigeria. And another 2 years, that will have 8 years of consistent doing this business, growing your business partner, for you to start with your momentum, having a start. This is the start of you having your financial freedom. If you continue consistently be doing up to 8 years. Okay, this is not a business that you will start now and tomorrow you start earning, or you start having the financial freedom. This is, we have to work at least 8 years consistently. 8 years consistently, and I could say that I have been doing this business consistently, full time, 24 hours. Only my focus is my business, and this is just the time. This is my 7th year, and this is the time that I am seeing the financial freedom. But this is not the total freedom, because I still need to build my network, my empire, in order for me to have a total freedom. Okay, and that will, I still have to work for another 2 to 5 years in order for me to have a total freedom. And that is, if you check all the gurus, even Eric Worre, who was on our a guest on our event yesterday, he has mentioned that this is already his 30 years. And if you follow his history, he has managed to start having financial freedom after 10 years to 20 years, and this is his 30th year and still doing on. Okay, so uh, ladies and gentlemen, that is my secret, and I would love you to invite you for the next Friday, because I will be discussing more on these of uh, building blocks of this business. All right. So I think this is the right time for me to, let me see if my guests are already here now. They are already on my. Let me see. Okay. All right. Let me invite them again. Okay. Okay. So let me invite them again. So bear with me, because they cannot get in. I'm just okay. And also I have my other crown here. All right. And let me invite them again, because they are not getting in. Okay, so all right. So, ladies and gentlemen, this will be, I will be interviewing them. Let me see if they can get in. Okay. This is the thing with the one man show, and we are really learning from here. Okay. Hi everyone. I could see here. I have viewers. If you have comments, you can comment, and I will for sure I will get back to you. Okay. All right. I'm not seeing the hello. I am not seeing her, so let me just see if how can I. All right. So yes. Okay, Crown Mary, where are you? I have seen you earlier. I have seen you earlier. All right. Let me see if I can see you. Yes. While I'm waiting for my guest for interview right now. Okay. I'm not seeing them yet, so let me see. Wow. I just want to say hi to Sarah who's watching right now from Nigeria. Thank you very much, Sarah. Yes, are you an marker, of course, and of course, James in from Kenya. Hello, hello, Kenya. My team from Kenya. I am okay. Oh, my guest is having difficulty of getting in. So I believe I could not get them. But anyway, all right. So another, wow. Our beautiful Charity. You are also watching me, and of course James. So thank you very much for tuning in with me. So I am now having difficulty of uh, bringing out my guests who are okay, who are really struggling to get in with me, and let me check again. All right. Okay, so let me see if I could have someone else who else on online right now. Maybe if I can find somebody who is online that I can call on. Okay. All right. So this is supposed to be an interview interaction with a business partner that is that are part of my 90 days. So let me see again if I can bring them in. Yes, I are. Okay, so let me invite another one. And Invite. Okay. All right. So let me just see if I can go on with. Thank you very much. If you are still tuning in, thank you for watching, and I am so humble that you are in. So let me see if I can send the link and I can invite another one, which is okay for an interview. This is now an instant interview. All right. Okay, let me see if. Hello. This is what is coming. Oh dear. What is coming out there? Okay. Okay, I'm trying to find out someone that we can have for our interview, and uh, it's also one of my business partner who is really doing so well. And actually, I have interviewed him, but I I wanna bring him out again if it is it is possible for him to come in. Hello. Yes, let me see if I can find you here. Hello, hello.
All
Oh,
right.
okay. So let us see if I can find someone for the interview portion with my with the business partners that I have here. Okay. So anyone is ready, I can invite you right now. Anyway, so thank you very much for tuning in with me, and I'm so happy having having you here. And I believe that if you have learned something, or if you have some comments, you can now put some comments, and then I will get back to you, or I can if you have some questions right now, if you have some questions, so that we can continue with our discussions for today. So yes, thank you very much, James Crown James, saying that I love the formula. That is only the formula. So one by one, step by step, we will be discussing on how to implement the formula, on how to do the formula, with the Formula One, which there are so many details. If you want to do your own 90-day game plan. It should be step by step. Like Formula 1 is the first 90-day game plan. Okay? And then we go with the next step, which is your 90-day game plan 2, which is the Formula 2, and goes on until such time that you will reach the 5 times of 90-day game plan. So if you're excited with that one, we'll continue. We'll have lots of discussion for the next Friday. And there are so many things that I wanna share to you every Friday. There are so many things that I have experienced, or I have learned, and I am implementing it in building my empire, because as I said, this is not just an overnight business. To build an empire is really tough. I am telling you now, because it it has a lot of disappointments, and I know so many of you there have experienced the objections, experienced the disappointments. This is a very, very emotional business, and if you have a very weak personality, or weak heart, or easily getting disappointed, then it will be difficult. That is the reason why you we have to become a brave heart, and that is one of the reason. Okay, so with uh, our team, that's one of the reason why I have I have chosen that name, because I was also one of the weakest person, that every time I'm disappointed, I cried a lot. I want to stop. I want to quit. I don't want to do it anymore. So this is the reason why, after struggling, after going through with that kind of challenges, like I passed through in a very tiny, tiny hole, like the tiny hole of the needle, doing this business. If you have seen, if you could see how I struggled to pass through, and to become strong, and to become whatever I am, and that's the reason why my sponsor, my upline, also was very like, she monitored me so close, and always until now she always motivate me. She always keeps on checking on me, because she knows who I was, and now I'm a totally different, because I have learned to be strong. I have learned to have a brave heart, in order for me to success in this business. So I believe I could not. I'm not getting already. I'm not getting through with my guest for this afternoon, and I would really love to bring them in, and get them here, in order for them to share also their experiences, and the maybe they can share some tips, so that we will also be learning from them. All right, so let me just check if they can still come in. So I don't know if Crown Mary, how is it, Crown Mary? So I think she messaged me on the WhatsApp. Let me just check. Oh dear. So okay, so I will not be taking your time so much. I don't think. there is a chance that I can be bringing my guest for today, and I will surely bring them anytime that I can get on with them, or we can because as I said earlier, that the universe will test us doing this business. Like just now, it was already good, it was going on, everything was going on so fine, and they cannot get in right now. So ladies and gentlemen, as I said, if you have more questions, more comments, you can put on the comment. And of course, if you have some suggestions on the topics that you want us to discuss, or I would love to invite anyone who can join me here in order to discuss some, to share their tips, to share their experiences. I'm also willing to invite you for this forum. So, ladies and gentlemen, I would love to go further. I would love to extend more, but I believe that I could not bring in my guest for today. So I I'm having another forum for health awareness on Friday, on Monday, and that is about health, and we will continue with the uh, health, holistic health of women holistic health, which we will be discussing more on different kinds of health issues that women are facing these days, especially with the pandemic. So stay tuned and keep watching. Find us on Facebook for our live shows every Monday and every Friday. We are a newbie. We are still developing. We are still growing. So for this, bear with us. And I hope and I pray you have learned something on this short video or short discussion that we have for today. So, ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for tuning in, for hanging out with me for today. And I will be posting this on Facebook and on YouTube, because we are also developing. We are starting also with our YouTube. And so if you can follow us on YouTube, you can subscribe, you can help us to grow on that channel, so that we can help more people, especially on the entrepreneurship, the actual experiences of entrepreneurs on this industry. So thank you so much. This is Nancy De Ocampo, a brave heart netpreneur. Thank you, and God bless us all. Mwah. Thank you, thank you. Bye-bye.